it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from the United States, from my buddy Taku-san over at Myojo, USA. This is their hot and spicy udon, and now it's in a cup. So that's pretty snazzy. So you take off the lid, take out the things and such. This is microwavable. I have done microwavable udon before, but not too often. But this udon right here, I mean, all you really need to do is heat it up. I think the amount of time that this will spend heating is mainly to make sure that the broth gets nice and warm. This being a spicy, hot and spicy broth. But these have been around in different packaging for years, and I don't know that I've ever had this particular variety. I think it's brand new in cups. So, and he sent a few varieties. There's this, there's an original, there's a beef, and there's a chicken. I am really in need of more meat in my world. I need to go buy a half pork belly. I need to make some chashu. I need to get chicken so I can have some freaking curry, because I really had some blue elephant curry that I made up, green curry, the other day, and it was exceedingly delicious. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm also going to use the what do you call it? This curry stuff I've got here. I think I have maybe enough in here. Oh, need a little more. My supply of room temperature water didn't get replenished last time, so there we go. Alright, and we microwave that for how long? It looks like 3 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Put down a safety plate. Oh, I tell you, the sick. Whoa, squeaky. The sick has invaded, and it's not fun. 3 minutes. No. Power level. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, there we go. So, what do I got? Oh, let's replenish my room temperature water. So I'm trying to think, what do I got that's fun to show you? Shortly, like within the week, I believe we're going to have our cottonwood insanity. So these cottonwood trees, when it gets this time of year, they go to seed, and it's just tufts of this cottony fluff everywhere. And it's really quite insane. And we saw the first amount of it at my, that's another story. My son's performance, which was last night, which wasn't last night. He's in a mixed class. I never have heard of this. So he's in a class that's 3rd and 4th grade. Well, they had the one that was 3rd and 4th grade do it with the 4th graders, and so they all stand up on risers and they sing songs, right? Standard stuff. Everybody did it when they was a kid. So they had that in April, and I guess there was one notification of that. He's in 3rd grade, and we didn't get the notification. So we go there last night, get there nice and early, get nice seats. We're all ready to go, and then it turns out, which really was a bummer. But like I was saying, the cottonwood, it's like it snows, and it's really neat. Kind of like last month we had the cherry blossoms, the sakura coming down. Now we've got this coming, and it's pretty neat. I'm pretty jazzed on it. I like to do a video every year going out. We had some rain today, and it looks like we got some more rain coming. But yeah, it's cloudy, but that's okay. What'll happen is that stuff's gonna get ready to go. It'll all get wet. It'll just kind of sit on the tree, and we'll get a really, really warm system coming in. It'll get sunny. We'll get a light breeze, and the place is just gonna be inundated with it. I mean, you've got like drifts of fluff. It looks like if you took a stuffed animal, ripped it apart, and had like armies of people just throwing this fluff all over the place. It's crazy. And then it just disappears. But that's how it disperses its seeds to make more cottonwood trees. So yeah, it's neat. I like it. I think it's really a neat thing. But in the meantime, we wait. We wait. We wait. You're almost done over there? Almost. Oh, there we go. Now we're done. No explosion. That makes me happy. So here is our Udon. Let's give it a try. I'm excited about this. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to give it a stir. That's my face. There's the udon. There we go. Come on. Ah. Cheers. Good udon. I like it. It's got a nice savory flavor to it. It's not exceedingly spicy, but it's good. It's about what I expected, and it's exactly what I wanted. So there you go. That's what you get. Let's udonify. Wow, look at that. That came out well. Okay. Alright, so there's that. And I have some interesting things to add. I've got something I rarely have the chance to use. I've got some flower foo. I've got some Narutomaki. I'm going to add a little bit of mung bean sprout. Some spring onion. And something I tried last time and it was super good. I'm going to add more to it. This is kari kari. And guess what? It is good. It is it's a lot like Lao Gan Ma, but better. That's for sure. Yeah, that is some really quite wonderful love sludge right there. Oh my god. Some onion, or onion. I'm still getting over feeling sick, okay? And a little crushed red pepper. Nope. Nope. No. Nope. Okay, fine. I think I can use AI to get rid of one speck of crushed red pepper. There we are. Do your stuff, Rotato. Show the world. Wow. Okay, so this is Udon hot and sour, or sour spicy, or one or the other. I had a contest thing with it where you can win like a smartwatch or something, but that will be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And yeah, try this stuff. Myojo Udon. Shouldn't be too hard to find. Have a good one. Bye-bye.